We can also write code with certain editors. One of the editors we can use to write Python code is Notepad. So let's bring out Notepad. So here's Notepad. All I need to do is type a code on Notepad and save the file, and Python will run it. There are other documents you can use to do that. We have you can use Android Studio. You can also use Xcode, but we are going to use let's try it with Notepad. So we can use Notepad, and let's try and write a keyword again. Print hello world. Print hello world. And then we are going to save it as we're going to save it let's put it in a Python tutorial text. And we're going to save this hello world. Now the extension is what matters. We need to save it as the language extension. There are several extensions. Python is py. There are other extensions. JavaScript is js, and you have TypeScript as ts. So you have to save it with this extension so that you can go ahead and use it when you are about to run it. So I'm going to save it that as hello world.py. Now I'm going to open the Python application. I'm going to run it in there. Okay, we'll open our Python and run it. Right, so we now want this to run hello world. Just finished. You open the command prompt, and then from Python tutorial, the beautiful thing is that you can just go to where you saved your file, hello world.py, drag it, drop it on the command prompt, and automatically it will see it. Then type enter and it print out hello world. So that's the beauty of Python. Now we are able to run Python on the screen, but the issue with programming on Notepad is that you may not really be able to handle syntax errors. Now look at this. Just have this running. We now say a equals to 10. You don't know whether you're right or wrong, space or whatever. Everything just keeps going as if it's correct. You can write therefore in here I will, and there's no error. So now these are things that a code editor can help you to handle.